Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Tucson. If you guys have a Hyundai Tucson, you need to remove or replace ignition coil. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Now we'll be demonstrating on a 2.4 GDI engine, but even if you have a different engine procedure, maybe actually very similar, so it should help you on multiple generation Hyundai Tucson. With the engine out, we can actually show you everything with a great detail. You don't need to remove your engine to do that. So that actually guys may work on multiple generation Hyundai Tucson. Even if you have a different engine, it may still work. We'll be demonstrating on a 2.4 GDI engine, but many of the things will actually apply to multiple engines and multiple years Hyundai Tucson. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to take them completely apart and make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. So right here guys, okay, this is the engine right here, 2.4 GDI, that we'll be demonstrating on. On modern engines usually you have a cover here that protects everything, hides everything, but if you go ahead guys, okay, if you have this exactly the same cover GDI, you have 4 rubber bushings that hold it in place, so grab it with your hands and just pull them out. Let's show the rubber bushings on the back side. Okay, right here, make sure they're still on the cover, engine cover, because sometimes they may be stuck on these posts, so you will need to manually remove it, install it on the cover before you install everything together. So with that being said guys, let's explain now. Okay, you will have a 4-cylinder engine, so it means that you have 4 ignition coils, 1 for each cylinder. You have 4 spark plugs. Starting from the very left side where your serpentine belt is located, we have cylinder number 1, 2, 3 and 4 respectively. And if you look at it guys, okay, how do you replace them? Right here, okay, you need to actually disconnect that thing. Okay, you can see that grating needs to come out, then you grab here, push down, push it in first, push down and then release the cable. Now you will have one 10mm bolt that we need to remove. You can see just like that. Grab it, pull it out. This is guys, okay, the ignition coil out of here. You can see that's how you guys remove it. Now that's a Hyundai Kia part because it's been used in both vehicles. If you need to buy coils for a really good price, we'll put the link in the description of the video below guys, where you can get them from, and all that will be under our video guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.